Welcome the our channel. Today we how to secure data integrity with Oracle, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by understanding what data integrity means in the context of databases. Data integrity refers to maintaining and assuring the accuracy and consistency of data over its entire lifecycle. Begin by logging into your Oracle database environment using your preferred SQL client. Once logged in, navigate to the schema where your data resides. To enforce data integrity, utilize constraints. Start with primary key constraints to uniquely identify each record in a table. Next, implement foreign key constraints to maintain relationships between tables. This ensures referential integrity is upheld across related data. Consider using unique constraints to prevent duplicate entries in columns that require unique values. Additionally, use check constraints to enforce specific rules on data values. For example, you can restrict a column to accept only values within a certain range. Utilize triggers for more complex integrity enforcement, such as automatic validation or update. Make sure to validate your data regularly through automated scripts or scheduled jobs. Take advantage of Oracle's built-in features like Flashback and Datapump for data recovery. Consider implementing auditing features to track changes made to data over time. Remember to back up your data regularly to prevent any loss. Test your data integrity measures through scenarios to ensure they work as intended. Review your integrity policies regularly and update them as the database evolves. Finally, document all your integrity measures for future reference and compliance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.